So the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to retrieve a particular contact itself by a single contact. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll stop the app here. To do that, we are going to refer this table, this method basically. Here it is just returning only a single contact. So what we need to do is go to the contact service, copy this method, and instead of enumerable we will have get contacts, and we will be going to return the contact only, and here we have first or default. So this is the method we are going to use for the retrieving single contact. So we'll have get contact here. Now go to the main scene. We'll have this method, copy it and paste it here, and get contact by name button click. Once this is done, then instead of S it will be just get contact, and this will be just contact, and you can just pass it to the contact method. Now this time it is going to use this one. So let us go to the UI editor and add one more button here. Make sure the app is stopped. We'll duplicate it, and instead of it will have it as get contact by name. Just remove the S, and that should do the purpose, as we are retrieving only a single contact by name. In fact, you can utilize it to retrieve by other fields as well. I'll show you how. So just check the database. So we want, as you can see, there are 3 Johns: Doe, Douglas and Jackson. So as per our logic, it should return John Doe. Let us see what happens. We'll run this app. There is a compilation error. We'll just go there and go to the code base and try to build this app here. Okay, so here is the error: cannot convert from contact to console string. Okay, so this is the message it is trying to print. So this should be basically contact.toString. We have to add it like this. Now the compilation error should go away, and now we can go back to the code and run it again to the Unity editor, and let us run it again. So the app is running. I'll just click on get contact by name. So it has actually retrieved 3 items. It shouldn't. So we must have made some mistake. Yeah. So here this is the problem. We have not changed the method. The method should be on get contact. So it should be this method. So let us stop this app right now. Go to the select the button and change this, and it should be get contact by name button click, this method. Make sure that you select the proper methods, otherwise you might get abrupt results. Then click again on the start button and we'll run it again, and then click on get contact by name. Here we got John Doe. This is what we were expecting to get from the database. John Doe, this was the first item, first of the 3 John 3 items with name John. So we got basically all the three. Get all contacts, we got contacts by name, we also got single contact by name.